Hello, ESL students. Welcome to this class. In today's video, we are going to talk about between and among. These are tricky prepositions because the definition may resemble one another. Okay? The first one is among, but it means in or in the midst of. And it is used when you're talking about three or more nouns. We know that nouns are people, places, or things, and things include tangible and intangible things. Things that can be perceived by the senses and things that cannot be perceived by the senses also. So remember, among, in or in the midst of, and when you're talking about three or more nouns. And between means in the middle of, and it is only used when you're talking about two nouns. Okay, I have two examples here for you on the board, and they say, the first one says, the pizza was divided among the 5 children. We are using among, and we know that it means in or in the midst of. Okay, and it is used for more than three or more nouns. 5 children. So it is correct. And the next one says, this is between you and me. We are talking about two people, two nouns. So, therefore, we use between, in the middle of. Okay? You can also say, for example, I am between 2 markers. Right? Or, well, between for 2 nouns, among for 3 or more nouns. Next, I will give you some more examples so that you can get a clearer idea on this topic. Now you are going to help me fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. The first one says the cake was divided blank 10 people. We know that we are talking about 3 or more nouns, or more than 3 nouns. 10 people, 10 nouns. So we are supposed to use among, right? If I said the cake was divided between Sarah and Luke, since we would be talking about 2 people, then we would use between. But since we are talking about 10 people, we must use among. The next one says, there is war blank pop musicians and rock musicians. Should we use between? We are talking about 2 plural nouns, pop musicians, rock musicians. Even though musicians is plural, we don't know how many musicians we are talking about. So we know we are talking about 2 groups, 2 nouns. Therefore, we must use between. So that is how you are supposed to use among and between. You could also say, for example, there is a traitor among us. If you're talking about more than 3 people, right? Or this is between you and me. I am between 2 markers. The desk is between 2 plants. Okay? Between for only 2 nouns. Among for 3 or more nouns. Next, I will leave you some homework. Remember that you need to do it in order to improve your English. For homework, you are going to write 4 sentences using among and between. If you need to take note of the definitions, please do so, because you will need to be as precise as you can. Remember that practice makes perfect, and well, please leave your homework in the comment section below this video. And if you have any comment, suggestion, or question, please also type it down there. I will be very, very happy to see all your comments and questions. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in the next video. Would you like to watch my next video? Click on the television to the right. I will be talking to you about 2 tricky prepositions. Well, actually only one of them is a preposition, but it is